the spiritual person now is confronted with how to contextualize and comprehend and understand the current world events. But then again, it has been that way since I've been on the planet. You know, World War I had just expired, then came the Great Depression, then came World War II, and I don't know how many wars since then. And so we're always confronted with the seeming spiritual dilemmas of the expression of the ego and its expression as the collective actions of society. Yeah? In any case, all any of us can do is within our own heart to reach the highest level of compassion and understanding and try to recontextualize it compassionately, because in so doing we undo it. So each of those who were able to undo great negativity did so because in a way their heart was supported by the hearts of all of us. They just didn't reach 550 all by their lonesome out there on an ice floe, you know? So the evolution of the consciousness of mankind is dependent on all the contributions of all of us. So each one of us counts, and each one of us counts quite decisively. Each one of us certainly counts quite decisively. That's a fact, is it? You know, I've always been suspicious of holy sounding religious teachings, you know what I'm saying? Holy sounding religious teachings, you say, yeah, right. I want to see, is that a fact or is that not a fact?